Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to join and install Google Classroom on your OnePlus 10 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here write Google Classroom and hit the search button. Now select this app and press on the install button, and after installation process is complete, we can open the app. Press get started, select the email you want to bound the classroom with, press OK. Now in order to join a class, we'll need to press on this plus button and select join class. Here you will need to enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so just press on the join button, and you can also create new classes by pressing on this plus button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.